All right, out here with old Pueblo MTB, about ready to do a group ride with them. Doing Hope Camp to Pistol Hill and back, do like 14-15 miles. Quite a few riders out here today, so weather's good so far, and hopefully it doesn't get too hot. I think probably when we finish the ride, it'll be like maybe 80-85 degrees, which isn't too bad for out here. So we'll see you on the ride. All right, top of the trailhead here. The old Pueblo MTB group going through the gate. This is Hope Camp to Pistol Hill. Hi, I'm Neil, by the way.
Neil? Mike.
Oh. Mike, sorry, I got something.
I know.
Alex. Donnie? And I know some of the rest of you, Eric, Lisa, Paul,
Lisa.
Benji, yeah. Who's in the back there? Who's that?
Yeah, I noticed.
Brent. Okay.
Thank you.
Anybody else? I'm like middle to the back.
Racing for the last
Alright, so the first half of this ride is basically us pedaling uphill for the next 7.5 miles. I don't think anybody really wants to see that, so we'll skip ahead to about the halfway point to where we actually turn around and come back downhill. And we'll get to that right after the flat tire. Got flat. I got a flat.
You did?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Yeah, my front tire. Yeah, but
I like that thing.
I love it.
Handles good?
Yeah, you want to try it? It's a small, so I mean.
Oh, that's alright. It's a small one.
Yeah.
Gotta remember the brakes are backwards.
Yeah.
Watch me crash. Just a motorcycle? Yeah, my brakes are backwards.
Let me give a spin. My buddy's got
the
same one.
So I'm actually looking at maybe they came out with the new Cassidy and what is it, Blackthorn? Yeah. So I want to get the Cassidy, but man, that thing's. But I love the split pivot because it's like independent braking. Like it's real good. All right, we're at the halfway resting point. I don't know if someone's going to keep riding, do a little bit more, or some of them might turn around and go back. We'll see what we're going to do here. But, old Pueblo MTB, baby. I'm good. Yeah, Benji. We're doing a return trip here. Pistol Hill back to off the trailhead. Oh man, there's still one more climb. Ugh. Yeah, it's not too bad. As the Calirado Kid would say, I know you came for the climbs. That's why you clicked on this video, to watch me climb. And Joey's a funny dude. If you haven't ever seen his videos, the Calirado Kid, I'll put a link in the description. Go check him out. There's some funny videos. Bum, 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 bum. Woo! Awesome! Alright, we finished the ride. Luckily nobody got injured. And some of us I think are going to go for lunch. Other ones got to go to work tonight. So But yeah, so old Pueblo MTB, another great ride, Pistol Hill, and we'll see you on the next one. We'll see you on the next adventure, okay? Ooh.